In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use low power mode on iPhone. So let's get started. iPhone has the low power mode which you will be prompted to activate it when your phone reaches 20% battery. You can also enable low power mode even before that 20% battery point to stretch your battery life further. To activate low power mode, first open Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Here you will find an option Low Power Mode. Just activate the low power mode using toggle switch. The battery indicator in the status bar will turn yellow while the low power mode is enabled on your iPhone. Note that your iPhone will always automatically disable low power mode when you charge it up to the certain point. Low power mode automatically changes some settings to save the battery power, like disabling automatic fetching of new emails, reducing your screen brightness, and automatically locking the phone and powering off its display more quickly. So that is how you can use low power mode on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.